Prompt engineering. It sounds like something Tony Stark would do, right? Hey Jarvis, code me $1 billion SaaS. And boom, overnight, you're a billionaire. Some people think you just type a prompt and suddenly you're a senior developer. But this video isn't about hyping prompt engineering. It's about exposing its harsh reality, the setup. Suddenly, everyone on the internet calls themselves a prompt engineer. No DSA, no algorithm, no memory management, no real understanding of how systems actually work. Just write me a scalable microservice architecture using Rust, Docker, and NASA-level security. And AI spits out 500 lines of code. People are saying coding is dead. Software engineering is obsolete. Just describe what you want. Like we have gone from be a full stack dev in 6 months to just speak English, bruh. Now, this might sound like a giant leap for humanity kind of thing, but I'm here to tell you the truth. The hidden cost of prompt engineering. Here's what people don't talk about. AI doesn't remove complexity. It compresses into something that explodes later. You ask AI for code, it works. You feel like a genius, then something breaks. And suddenly you're staring at async functions you can't explain, regex that looks like some kind of alien language, errors saying undefined is not a function, and 17 dependencies that mysteriously install themselves. And you're like, I didn't write this, the AI did. Exactly, that's a trap. And that brings us to the actual limitation of prompt engineering. AI is not context aware, it just guesses the next word. Let me give you an example. Option 1, I look at your code and I say, that looks sick. Option 2, I look at your code and I say, oh, that looks sick. Now, if you could guess that in option 1, I meant, that looks awesome. And in option 2, I meant, your code looks like shit. Congratulations, you're officially a human. Else, hello bots. And that's what AI lacks, context. And that's why if you're not very specific, you won't get the desired output. And all that prompt engineering thing impacts junior developers the most. Companies want 20 years of experience, cloud expertise, system design expertise, and now prompt AI skills as well. And junior devs are stuck between old school devs saying, back in the days we used to build compilers out of stones and sticks and rocks, and new school devs saying, oh, just prompt better, bruh. Skill issue. And neither side is completely right or wrong. The real skill of the future. The future won't be prompt engineering. It will be engineering with AI, where you, the dev, understand systems and know how to use AI as a tool. If you understand logic, algorithms, why things break, why things work, then AI becomes a superpower. And without that, AI is just a black box replacing your critical thinking. Just remember, prompt engineering won't kill coding. Ignorance will.